So let's give it a start. Builderall for beginners. So you've signed up to Builderall. Now what? What is it that you're going to do? I've been with Builderall for over a year and a half. I want to share with you how you start with this tool. Alright, my name is Fabio. I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. So if you want to subscribe, just hit the subscribe button. That would be so freaking awesome. Alright, let's hop into my computer right now and let's start. Alright, here we go. Here I'm at the dashboard of Builderall. And to go to the dashboard of Builderall, you just go to office.builderall.com. Now here, the first thing that when I come to the dashboard, the first thing that I always do when I come here to my Builderall dashboard is I actually come to this button right here, which is the bell on the right corner. And I come here because I want to see my notifications, because I promote Builderall, the tool. And so I make money promoting this one tool. So I like to come here to see the notifications. So I see that today, day 31, Tuesday, I've had leads coming in. I've had a new commission, a new sell. Somebody just signed up here for the premium plan. So as you can see, I got a commission here. I got more leads. And well, the list goes on. All right, awesome. So I got so many leads and a sell today. So today, a great day. So I like always to come here to see the notifications. Now, not only will tell you the leads, but also like other notifications from Builderall. So that's that. Now, what's the other thing that I come to do here when I come to Builderall? First of all, let me start like if you promote Builderall, the tool, there's actually the funnel club, which is you have more than like about 30 funnels ready to make money online. And for you to get access to those funnels and just start promoting to make money, you would come here on top to affiliates. Then here on the left, note that you only have access to the funnel club if you have the premium plan. Then you come here to funnel club. Right here, it will ask you to connect your own domain so you can promote with your domain. You don't have to do this at the moment. Now here it's have all the funnels ready to promote. For instance, this $1 funnel, which is a funnel that is working really well for a lot of people right now, including myself. This one funnel, you would just come here, copy this link, and send this link to people. And because it has your affiliate link on it, you just grab this link, copy, and you promote this link. And boom, there you have it. The funnel will do everything for you. It will show people how to make the money. It will literally do everything for you. So there you have it. This is the funnel club if you want to make money with Builderall. Now let's go back here to home. Oh, one more note here on the affiliates, on this link right here, you can see your earnings, how much you make. You can withdraw money to your bank account. And so you can do all of these things here. All right, so the next thing that I want to share with you is actually Builderall has like the tools it shows here. You can open each tool. And so let me tell you that, for example, this one tool that is the most used of Builderall, which is called the Cheetah Builder, the Cheetah Drag and Drop Website and Funnel Builder, this one. You can create websites, funnels with this. And I actually have a video showing you step by step how to create a website and also a funnel with the Cheetah Builder. I will leave the links for these videos beneath this video so you can check them out. But what I want to tell you here is like, if you don't know how to use this, you can always come here to this button right here, which is help. And what we'll do is we'll load up a lot of videos that will literally show you how to use this tool. So general overview, I recommend you watch this video from start so you'll have an idea how to do websites with this. And you have how to add boxes, email form, how to connect the email, how to add texts. So you have here, it shows you how to do it. Now, keep in mind that all of the tools, let me go here to apps. Also here on apps, you can access all the tools. And so let me show you here. Through here, you have builders, and the first one is the Cheetah Builder, the one I'm talking to you about. You can always click on each of them and open through here. Now, of course, on the builders, you have many builders. This is the Perfect Pixel site builder. That's the old builder of Builderall. I recommend you do all your websites here on the Cheetah Builder. And then you have Builderall Canvas, where you can build, blueprints of a funnel. Then you can build them on the Cheetah or the Pixel Perfect. I recommend you build on the Cheetah. Then you have WordPress integration, where you can install WordPress within Builderall with 3 clicks. You have e-commerce. You have the webinar builder. You have the e-learning, where you can do courses. You have app builder to build apps on Android and for iPhone. Builderall directory builder. So you have all the tools here categorized. The email marketing, where you have email autoresponder, and that's where I use all my emails. I have unlimited quota, and the open rate of Builderall is so high. Anyways, you have engagement software to engage people on your website. You have design to do all kinds of designs within Builderall, so you can animate videos and images. You have reports where you can click map to track where people click throughout the site. And you have others, which is a VA access, so you can have somebody else access this tool so they can do. The DNS manager is where you manage your domains, where you can see if they are connected or not, all of that stuff. And notification center, it's just like these notifications over here. It's what it is. All right, so let's come here to home again, and let me go ahead and share with you a few more things. Because you sign up, and now what? So here we go. First of all, like I said, you have the Cheetah Builder. Then let me see. Now, after the Cheetah Builder, what I use most on here on Builderall, it's actually the drag and drop email marketing automation. And this is so I can collect emails from people. I follow up. Like when I do a video on YouTube, I always send an email to everybody so they can know about my YouTube video. I always collect emails through this, because when you send traffic to an offer, whatever offer it is, like if you're promoting anything, rule number 1 of traffic, never waste traffic. Rule number 2 of traffic, never waste traffic. And rule number 3 of traffic, remember rule number 1 and rule number 2, which is never lose traffic. So always grab people's emails. And that is through this tool. Now, if you don't know how to use this tool, you can always come here again to help. And they have videos literally showing what to do here, everything. So see a lot of videos, and you can do that. So that's one of the tools that I also use very well. Another tool that I like to use is the Builderall Builderall Canvas. Now, Builderall Canvas literally will you can build a blueprint of a funnel, and then you can export. And it will it will create all the pages on the Pixel Perfect site builder. But I recommend you go and build your blueprint here on the Builderall Canvas. You can build the blueprint of the funnel, and then you create the funnel on the Cheetah Builder. Now I have a video that shows you exactly how to do that, how to build the blueprint and how to do the funnel with the Cheetah Builder. I will leave the link here on top, so if you want to do that. So I use that a lot. Also, again, the DNS manager, it's where you can see how your domains are connected and all of that stuff. So that's important too. Here also I use this, which is WordPress. I have WordPress because I have my blog in there. So I also use that. All right. And so you have all the other tools. But again, come always to this help button so that they have videos showing you literally how to do it, right? And this is the dashboard of Builderall. When you want to go to all of the tools, you can come here to apps. Here you have training, where you have a masterclass with Dave Sharp, where he will tell you how you can make money, what ways you can make money with this tool, right? There's the platform training. So you have a lot of training here on how to use this platform, how to do sales page, how to do landing page. A lot of training. You can come here when you start. I recommend, if you don't know nothing about digital marketing, you can start here. Like again, affiliates here, you have all kinds of stuff here. You can see your leads, your test leads, people that are signing up, and all the information. I like to come here to the notification because I can see, the leads that are coming in and also the sales. But here on affiliates, it's all related to making money online with this tool, which is Builderall. Notices, it's I never use this one, but anyways, you can check that out later if you want. Tickets. Oh, again, here, help. You have support. You have tickets. And also here on the bottom, you can chat with Builderall straight away. You have that if you have any question, but I always recommend you go for help because the answers are there. You just have to look for it. So don't go for Builderall and just always go and contact them all the time when you have an issue. Don't be that kind of person where you waste their time. Just go to help and find out yourself. You know what I mean? Add-ons, you have a Young Entrepreneurs, which is a funnel from Alvaro Salgado. Great guy. I met him. So you have here solo ads. You have this training here, which is Facebook Ads course by Alvaro Salgado. Great training right here, free. Grab this one, good. You have events, workshops, and event calendar where you can, Builderall has these things right here, these groups on Facebook where they give you a lot of training, a lot of knowledge and stuff that you can click here, and I recommend you join these groups. And here on your account, you could also change your language here. You can change your password, and you have your account report. Just everything related to your account here, and that's it. Of course, now, guys, I have videos on my YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, about how to use this one tool right here. You can always look for these videos. And by the way, Builderall now has a funnel where it was part of the funnel club that I'm promoting and having good success with it. Actually, this, see this cell right here? I think it came from that funnel, which is, I'm almost sure that it came from that funnel, which you can join Builderall for 99% off. Yeah, for the premium plan, so you can start making money. That is $1 only. And I will also leave the link if you want to start. And because if you join with my link, not only you get everything that Builderall gives you, but also you get my ongoing support and all of my bonuses that you can find at megafunnel.net. See everything that I give you. And that's what's up. I hope that was helpful. Anything, comment below. Any question you'll have, I'll be here to help you and guide you along the way. If you have any questions regarding Builderall, whatever you're trying to do, just comment below. I'll be happy to help you out and guide you on the right direction. And that's what's up. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you wouldn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. And there you go. I will leave the link below for the $1, so you can start with $1, 99% off. Incredible. You can start now your business for like $1. That's insane. So there you have it. I'm going to have the link below. And I hope to see you next Friday here on my YouTube channel. Hopefully, I will see you here. Have an amazing day. Always believe in yourself. Oh, and by the way, regarding the coronavirus, I'm in quarantine of news. So I don't watch news. I don't really want to have information about the coronavirus anymore, because first, I know, I already know what's going on. I don't need to focus on that, because whatever you focus on grows. And I find that by not focusing on that, I have more time for my business, more time for myself, and I'm feeling great because of it. So I really recommend you put the news, you put the information on the coronavirus, on quarantine, meaning you don't focus on that. You don't care about that. You just care about working on your dreams, working on your projects, and make things happen and have an amazing life. Yeah, that's it. Have a great day, and I'll see you next Friday maybe here on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Cheers. Goodbye.